Good morning, guys. Man, we got to go over Cardano, don't we? Because Cardano is taking off yet again. This is insane. If you guys watched the video I did, I think it was yesterday or a couple days ago on Cardano, we're going to go over this. The emotional index, guys, like, do you think this is a greedy market at all? Like, I wonder if it's a greedy market. So we're going to go over this, deep dive into this. We're 112 wins, 0 losses. We are getting very close, guys, to taking our next win on Avalanche as well as Matic. Let me show this to you guys real quick, just keep things transparent. Avalanche, very close to coming break even and getting into the profit. We've got Mana as well, which is not even that far away from our break-even entry here. And then Matic, so Decentraland and then Matic. Like, look at these guys. These are all about to hit. So if you do not have a membership, get ready and get one so you guys can join us on this. ADA. I guess people like to say it. Someone corrected me and they're like, it's not ADA, it's ADA. I'm like, oh, okay. I don't know if what the truth is. Anyways, so we have pumped a total of over 50% since... Oh, excuse me, guys. My apologies. Down here at the bottom, I'm looking at March 13th. March 13th, up here, very close. 49.30%. I'll say it's close to 50. So almost 50% we have pumped since March 13th. This has been ridiculous, guys. Our account here is only 3.4% away from break even. And I know this, as we've been doing this math on here, we still have traders and a lot of people that aren't trading with us, but literally who FOMO'd in here, guys. They're still down 40 to around 50%. Yes, the market's coming back, but because you guys use our dollar cost average entry strategy here, your break even moves down as the market goes against you. It is a very beautiful thing. We have recovered in our account $27,000 in the last 11 days. So someone could say you are up $27,000 in the last 11 days. Now, full disclosure, guys, 150,000 is break even, which is why I'm saying we're 3.4% away from break even. But just this simple market move up right here on this coin and the other ones that we're holding, and here's my positions over here. Majority is in Cardano and EOS, guys. I've been telling you guys these are the two coins I feel like they're going to blow up, and I do still believe in Dogecoin that it's got some movement that it can move up here, but pretty crazy. Let's dive into the metrics today so you guys can see what I'm seeing, and let's dive in like you're in my house and we're hanging out. Okay, all the indicators for retail traders are all bullish this morning. All of them. Are they going to continue buying? I wouldn't doubt if they continue buying because you're pushing people right now into this. Let's just get into the metrics here with the indicators. We're in the greedy section. Look how high we are. We are far above this area, far above this area, far above this area, okay? What's happening here is short trades are continually getting short squeezed, okay? People trying to take out shorts right here for the move back down did not get what they wanted. People who tried to come out over here and trade shorts on the structure high here did not get what they wanted. They tried to trade it at $1, didn't get it. The next place this is going to push up to, guys, is the call that we've been making. It's 125. It's the quarters theory level of 125, and we can absolutely hit this by this weekend. Today's Thursday, so we've got a couple days left here. Absolutely possible. Take a look down here. Trend exhaustion is super high. Well, money flow is high, and we're continuing up, guys. This is a sign that there is a market correction coming, okay? I'm holding all my positions because we're going to wait to get back in the profit here, and once we get back into the profit, I'm going to be looking to take profit, as you guys know, around the structure up here. So for us, we're going to be looking at right around the quarters theory level of 175 to take profit on this. So anybody who joined us on these trades over here where we entered in about $49,000 and you guys were able to get into this, you guys are going to be experiencing about 120% profit. Anybody who takes the trade setup, I'm going to show you in today's video, and you guys get in here and you exit with me, you'll be looking at about a 50% profit on that trade. Okay, we're going to keep going with this, but I want to show you something. What I want everybody to watch out for is this. Once we start seeing price action go like this, and we start making these really highs where it did over here, and we start pumping and pumping and pumping, you need to watch for the well money flow. Let me go like this. Let me pull this over. Look at this. As well money flow starts heading down, this is what's called divergence. This is where the huge drop started to happen in the market. So what we're getting at over here is we do have a form of divergence. We have well money flow high and we have a lower high. This is a form of divergence. You can see price action in pink or red here that this is actually moving upwards and well money flow is moving out. So I want you guys to watch this. I would not doubt if we give up a decent amount of profits on this, and then we start moving back down to this, basically a break and a retest of this structure right here, which is right around that $1 level. So don't be nervous or disappointed if it goes back down. This will be very healthy. I'm going to hold this until we're back up over here, and it will be, like I said, guys, tens of thousands of dollars is what we're going to start making. $27,000 we're up in the last 11 days. It's pretty crazy. Break even is 150,000. I want to keep saying that. So I don't want to manipulate anything here. 150,000 is our break even. So we're still down 3.4%, but we have recovered is the best way to say that. $27,000. So guys, make sure you are getting these indicators here. I am calling all these exits over here with the indicators so you guys can see that. These are on sale 84% off. 84. It is the lowest price we have ever had our indicators, and we will never have the price of these indicators lower than this. We'll never have it lower than the sale we have going on right now. I know I usually don't do this, so forgive me if it seems like too much sales or whatever. I want to just let you guys know this in the beginning. The coupon code, it's under indicators. It's in the description. Just put coupon code MARCH. Click this link right here. It will give you guys the bundle pack where you get all 9 indicators. Put coupon code MARCH. I'll go over at the end of the video. I just want to say it now so you guys can find this. You have 7 days left, and we're upping the price of the indicators. I know a lot of people like these. We have people doing really well. I know I'm doing things backwards today, but I was jacked about this, so I have to show you guys. This is just our strategy. I want to let you guys know want to let you know I used your metrics, trend exhaustion and well money flow. These are the indicators, trend exhaustion and well money flow. This guy over here, he made $43,000. He bought $373,000 worth of 88 on the 19th and cashed out on the 22nd for $416,000. That is so ridiculous. This guy over here, I'm sorry, let me just real quick and I'll move on with the analysis, I promise. He's doing between $100 to $400 a week on average. This is crazy, guys. And they're using our indicators and our membership over here. So real quick, guys, here it is. Here's the membership. I know I'm going to get a ton of emails. Travis, stop selling. Guys, honestly, this is worth it to get over here. You're going to get all the metrics I'm about to show you, as well as the Telegram channel where I'm calling entries and exits. The masterclasses are unlocked. And guys, we're going live in Zoom or on Zoom April 14th from 3 to 4 p.m. Pacific Standard Time to do an open Q&A and talk about the market. So it's just awesome. I'm more excited than anything because we're doing really well over here and people are starting to write in testimonials. They're like, oh, I'm making $100 to $400 a week. I'm making, $43,000? $43,000. I want to quote this correctly. I think it was $43,000 he said. Yeah, $43,000 on, was it 88? Yeah, we're talking about 88 today. $43,000 on 88. That's just nuts. I mean, it's a lot of money. I'm not going to lie. But $43,000, that's like what people do an entire year for their work. Like, people are trading for a living. All right, guys. Emotional index here. All these metrics will update at 8 a.m. Pacific Standard Time. We're obviously overbought here. The greediness in the market is crazy. You guys come over here, look at Bitcoin, and I've shown this to you guys before. Look at over here on March 13th. This is what Bitcoin's done on March 13th till now. A whopping 14%. Okay, let me get my iPad out here. I'm just going to write these down. 14% from March 13th. And then I showed you guys what happened over here to 88. Like, look at this chart. This is insane what has happened over here. The 13th. What did I tell you guys? Is that 49%? Right up here about 50.25%. That's crazy. 50%. Look at the math on that. This is why I've been telling you guys, and I'll go over the metrics, but I'm trying to make this point really clear lately on these videos. You take 50% and you minus 14. Yes, I did use a calculator for this. 36%. You've made 36% profit more on ADA if you would have had your money there in Bitcoin. This is why I've been telling you guys, dump Bitcoin and get into altcoins. Take a look at this. Long versus short trades over here. Short trades are continuing to move out. Oh, are you kidding me, guys? Like, literally, the market is moving up this fast and short trades are still moving out. This is honestly, like, I'm excited about this. This is extremely bullish for us because this tells us that short traders aren't confident that this thing is going to go back down. What does that mean for everybody holding? It means you guys are going to make a ridiculous amount of money. We're like printing money this week. It's insane. Okay, look at this. Long trades are increasing while short trades are decreasing. Guys, this is absolutely a bullish sign to push us to 125. It's the target we called back over here 3 days ago. Like 125. 125, guys, is where we're looking to hit. And after that, it's quarters theory level 150. And that could be hitting next week. This is a very bullish. Look at market cap strength over here, guys. I had a feeling, let me zoom in here a little bit more here so we can see this. I was having a feeling over here that I'm like, we'll probably drop down a little bit because it's too strong. No, this thing is skyrocketing over here following price structure. It is following the price. Do you guys know this means people are dumping their altcoins out of other alts and they're literally dumping their money into ADA? If you guys didn't see this video I did a couple days ago, you want to know where the money's coming out of? Go to the Bitcoin charts. It's coming out of Bitcoin. Look at the market cap on Bitcoin. It's still heading down. Guys, people, I'm not just telling you guys, hey, dump your Bitcoin and buy something else. I'm telling you what the Wells institutions are doing. Retail traders aren't dropping the market cap of Bitcoin. This is huge Wells with billions of dollars, okay? They're literally taking their money out of Bitcoin and they're putting it in to Cardano and other coins like EOS, because we can clearly see it moving up here. So when I said that, it's not just a personal opinion. Like I said, guys, on this channel, we look at metrics, on-chain data. This is what Wells are doing. So this isn't like biased stuff here. I'm trying to prove it to you guys. Like, this is insane. And some of you guys are like, should I buy or should I not right now? Here's my thing, guys. There's so much attention on ADA and EOS right now, and it's moving out of Bitcoin, that even to get on here and use our I'll show you guys how to get into a trade setup today with buy limits where you'll be extremely safe. If it goes up, you'll make money. If it goes down, you'll actually celebrate if it goes down, because you'll make more money when it goes back up. I'll show that to you in this video. It's how we're winning 112 wins in a row and 0 losses. Trades in favor, obviously, short trades, duh, that makes sense. Well, institutional smart money. Okay, guys, let's talk about this. This is ridiculous. They have been coming out here and coming out with short trades over here. Smart money loves to basically sell the pumps in the market. I do believe they're going to get their way. This did happen before over here, and the market kept heading up here, and we saw a very drastic move back down. All right, this did happen over here, and we saw the move back down. They got their way here, they got their way there, they got their way here, and they moved the market down over here as well. Even this one little wick over here pushed the market back down. Look at this. People thought we were breaking out from the descending triangle, just like we did over here. Short trades came out, and they dropped it down. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6. Could this literally be 6, 7 times in a row where they get their way? Yes, I do believe this is going to hold true. So watch for the drop, like I already said in the beginning of the video, and do not get nervous. Our account will probably dip back below $140,000. It will probably be in the high 130s, probably by, I'm thinking, maybe this weekend, maybe next week, because the market needs to have a pullback to go higher. I'm not nervous about that. I'm not going to exit. It's just what it is, and I'm happy about that. Okay. Support and resistance. It's 125. Just write it down, guys. 125 is the target for ADA. A move back down. It's back down here at $1. Okay, $1 and 125. Write those down. Those are your supports. Those are your resistances. Okay. By the way, guys, real quick, anybody who took if you guys know our scalping strategy with our indicators, which is part of the testimonials of what people use, let me show this to you guys real quick. I just want to congratulate you guys if I didn't do this already in the last videos. You guys know that when the emotional index is looking fearful or anxious over here, you guys go down and you look at well, this is not bad. Good long trades. I was looking for a great long trade, but we're seeing good long trades. So check, and then you see institutions over here. If you see them buying like this, all you guys do is come over here and like, okay, 3 checks. What do you do is just simply wait for trend exhaustion to be low and well money flow to be low, and that's your entry. 3 to 4%. That's what I've been telling you guys over and over. I'm not going to change it. 3 to 4%. Everybody who took a trade here, obviously, anybody who took all those trades, you won every single scalping trade. So not only are you winning our big trade setup that I'm calling out in Telegram that we've never lost, now the fast scalping strategy that you guys can learn with the indicators and metrics, you guys have not lost any of those trades either. Come over here to the masterclass, scroll down once you guys have access to the membership, and watch this class right here. I'll literally, if some of you guys are like, this is too slow, Travis, I'm like, okay, let's speed things up. Let's make it more fun. I literally will show you guys how to scalp this market, and people are doing really, really well. Not a single person has lost a scalping trade on ADA since we launched that masterclass. Not a single person. I know that because we know where price structure is. Okay. Let's move down here and let's continue with Cardano. I'm almost done here and we'll wrap this up, guys. I'm excited today. The markets are going crazy. This is good. Again, everybody who got in with our dollar cost average entry down here, you guys are doing great. You literally got in at the bottom. This dip right here is this dip right there. Okay. Guys, this is, my apologies. I'm sorry, guys. This dip right here is actually this dip over here because this is actually in the beginning of March. Now, this should be the beginning of March over here. Let me see. February and March is putting us right there. You know what? I'm sorry, guys. 1 second. I want to make sure I do this correct. No, this dip right here is this dip right there. And this this little pump right there is actually this move. Okay, so you guys got in right there. So anybody with dollar cost average entries, you guys are up about 48% right now. Now, I know some of you guys are like, should I take profit? Well, let's go down to the next metric. This didn't show anything for a little while here. It is now showing this again for an exit point. If you guys want to look to take some profit, I believe this is actually a really good place. If you guys are like, I don't think it's going to keep going up. This is a very good spot to take at least 50% out. I'm not doing that because I'm holding this. I'm holding this, guys, and we're like, I'd be okay if we held all the way back to all-time highs, but I don't think that's smart from a financial perspective. We could make more money because there's no way this thing's going to go straight up. It's going to go like this, it's going to go like that, it's going to go up and down, and we'll make money on the lows and the highs all the way up. Okay. Let's get you guys into a trade setup. Scroll down here and I'll show you guys how to get into that. But I want to do this on Bitcoin to keep it private for our subscribers. So watch this. Here's how we have won all of our trades. We really do have, guys, 112 wins and 0 losses. So take a look at this. Trade setup today. We're going to show you on Bitcoin, but this is, obviously on ADA. Choose the amount you want to enter the trade with. Let's say it's $1,000. Split the $1,000 into 4 equal portions, $250. Place $250 at each of the 4 buy limits. So you're going to see 4 yellow lines. 1, 2, 3, 4. That's it, guys. Very simple. And you guys are going to just come over here and you're going to get tagged into the first buy limit, and then you're going to take an exit up here, which is going to be the sell limit. That's just automatically set up for 100% exit. Follow me in Telegram because I'm going to be calling exits for you guys for all the coins we're in. All of them, guys. So you literally just have to copy what I'm doing, and you guys will be able to take our win rate, which we've never lost a trade. And I'm doing this exact same thing with my money, so I'm invested in this with 150,000. I'm trading this to make the most money I can. So this isn't like I don't have something on the line, okay? I'm dedicated to you guys. Seriously. My goal this year, you could know this, is to make this turn into a $200,000, take $100,000 out, and go buy a home. Literally, that's my goal. Do you have a goal? Because that's my goal, and I'm getting there. So whatever it takes to get there, guys, I'm going to do the best we can to get there, and we could actually absolutely crush $200,000 because this is where, guys, we're 3% away from break even of 150, and this is where ADA is. Can you imagine if we just held some of these positions up here back to all-time high of how much money? Like, we'd probably get close to $300,000 in our account. It would be insane. So for those of you guys who are diamond hand holders, feel free to hold because you guys could do extremely, extremely well. All right, guys, that's where I'm going to end this video. I already talked about the indicators, but make sure you guys are snagging that. This literally it's a one-time purchase. You get the source codes for life. You get all 9 indicators. This literally is the cheapest we have ever had it. It's better than our Black Friday sale last year. So seriously, guys, snag this today. You have 7 days left, and I will be upping the price the 31st of March at 5 p.m. Pacific Standard Time. It's actually, funny enough, I think it's actually on a Thursday for the 31st. Does not matter. It's just the end of March, 5 p.m. That's the last day. We're not going to extend it. So this is going to go up. You have 7 days left, so make sure you snag that. That's how we're scalping, so you guys can win all those trades. Watch the masterclass, get into the membership, guys, and enjoy all the profits, and have some fun looking at the testimonials of this dude that did $43,000 on 88. Crazy, crazy. God bless you guys. Have an amazing day. 88 looks like it's going to keep going up to 125. That's my target. It's always been. After that, it's 150. Don't be nervous if we see a drop back down. Get the indicators in the description and the membership. Join our family, guys, and I'll see you guys in the next video. Bye, guys.